Hi, Promise. It's Emily Journey. Wanted to give you some guidance on troubleshooting the error that you have. So it's likely a plugin conflict, and a plugin conflict that creates that white screen with the error can also make it impossible for you to log into your dashboard in order to deactivate the problem plugin. So what you have to do is you just have to go through in kind of the back door. So you're going to log into your hosting account, and you're going to navigate to your control panel or your cPanel. And cPanel, if it doesn't look like this, it'll look similar to this, but it's a whole bunch of icons. And the icon that you're going to look for is going to be called File Manager. So you're going to, this is my File Manager. You're going to, and you might have a link to File Manager like in a menu on the left. So, but look for the File Manager. Once you click on File Manager, it's going to look like this. And you're going to ignore this over here and kind of click through directly on the folders here. So first you're going to look for something that says public_HTML and double click on that globe. And then at this point, you may need to go in an additional level, which might be like the name of your website. There might be a folder with the name of your website. You might need to go in that way. Or if this is what you see, these files and folders that start with WP, that's your WordPress website. So all of these files make up your WordPress website. And the plugins are in this file here, and we call these files a directory. So we go in this WP content directory, you double click on the folder, and then here's the directory with plugins. So if I double click on that folder, it takes me in this level, and then here are the folders for each plugin. So if I'm troubleshooting plugins, I want to get to this point, and I can go up, click this up one level to go backwards. So we started here, double click public HTML, double click WP content, double click plugins, and then we've got the plugins. So what you do what you need to do is deactivate a plugin. And so to do that from here, you need to select a plugin, right click on the folder, and then click rename. And the protocol for this is a normal thing that we do as a part of troubleshooting. The protocol is we rename it, we do _old, and we click rename file. And then that will give the plugin a new name, and that will actually deactivate the plugin. And you might, just as simple as that, be able to hit refresh on your website and get it back. And then you'll be able to log in and delete the plugin. So I'm not going to rename this plugin because I don't need to. And then if you find that plugin is not the problem, you can rename multiple plugins so that they all become deactivated, so that you're able to actually access. You keep doing that until you can access your website. So just do one at a time. It might be, it's likely just one plugin. And then once you're back in and able to get back into your website, then you want to come back here and set the names back to what they should be. So you'll rename them and remove the _old, and just clear out maybe that, as long as the problem plugin is deactivated, then it shouldn't be a problem anymore. And then during training, you can do a pretty good audit of all the plugins that you have on your site so that you can clear out any of the high-risk plugins. Hopefully this helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.